Yomanyikaine una Kisii Agricultural Training Center ATC niko ba mwariganiria omworokia omonene wenseme yomanyikaine una Samuel Mulei Mutiso umwiga bwoko gendanka maiga yokuroba koreri bwae asenseme ya segeka kimyaka 10 ime ye county ya Kisii.
No mwiga oragwa no mwasiri wechisemi me county ya Kisii Eric Mienda asaborire Mulei kwenekia buna abakori emirimo bakorire asegeke getambe kurikwa niko bona Mulei ayenekire buna omorobilyo no raroro boko barika na kubakirambia asokubwaterana abayenekire gukinya ATC
niko bona bamuganire amaya hekero akogendanka asomoigo yohoikira no murikito Bethel Machini oyo gotumanya senchero ibekira
Naso maiga buku mwakirambia mono aso wiko mwerio kwemiremo yae ime ye county ya Kisii mwana munene bwesukuru yo kwenda maigiri gucha sabarimi ATC Benson Mulei no maiga onyakobugo kwareganwa sensemeyo ya ATC asabari abakarawanere mawaziri bwechisemi me county ya Kisii Eric Mienda baikira na sensemeyo
and you are having this ceremony. I think we were together, Chief, in Nairobi. We briefed him that your time has come for you to go and rest.
Okwane kirekyo nigo Mienda nyakaboga kwera obuya bwae Benson Mulei ase ensemeyo.
ATC is a very big entity. It has given me a lot of stress, by the way. When we are sharing with Chief, even in Nairobi, you look at the many things that happen here, you wonder how they are going to take shape. We are not saying there is nobody who can replace, but it is not as easy as you may look at it. There is so much here. Huyu lazima aone chai imechunwa pale imepelekwa, aone coffee imemalizwa imepelekwa, aone watu wa maziwa pale juu, ndivyo mzee. Watu wengine wanalala hapa, wengine wanapata chakula pale chini and all that. So it is a whole big thing that will need somebody who is committed and who is ready to sacrifice.
Egati yabobwateni anyakobaga okarana barwemeremo boigo nigo batati weisiko asbono banyakoba kwera nigo Mulei abeirega kubwatera na barobwa centurenkia na wikira nemiremo ya centurenkia.
Principal, thank you so much. As a member of the Technical Management Committee of Kisii, we have interacted on many occasions on professional grounds. We have agreed and disagreed professionally, and I learned one thing, that you are really diligent, a team leader committed to do the service God has given you. So as you go home, sir, may you, as you transit to another sphere of life, may God be with you. Sao Mungu.
Senseme ae, omwaziri Mienda, nikabona nyakabaga kuboria. Ndibwensi urachi kunyakabaga kwiradi bagari ya Mulei anyakabaga kwenekinga bakuri emiremo bonsi bari barenkorro nkwego barengeri yabo nabiga bande kurikwa.
We are aware of that. And the staff in ATC, you continue having the patience and the respect you've been having. I know there are staff here, Chief, who are on contract, the casual contracts and all that, right? So Mulei, please, when you are leaving, make sure the people who have been working here for the longest time as casuals, they are not, you know, atufanani. Si mtu mwingine atakuja aseme mimi siwajui namna hiyo. So there must be continuity. Those people who have been working here kwa coffee, kwa chai, kwa kitchen, na ni casuals, your engagement is guaranteed.
Senseme ya Mulei boigo nikobona nyakabaga kwenekia mbabegetemiro biri mekiranu abo bonsi banyakoba ucha wakano engeri yabo nabigo bande kurikwa.
The casuals, I think we discussed your matter with the TMC and the Board of Management, and it was passed that you will be paid the national wages. I think it was passed. Yeah, the national recommended the casual wages, so I think that one will be effected and you'll be there.
Bono nige amatiae ya mwariganirinka erio anyakabaga wikirani miremende.
He really loves his job, and we pray that God may bless you, and I hope everyone learns something from him. Don't just msitoke tu bure, just take one thing from him and also spread it to your families. And congratulations, welcome home.
kuripoteria Ensoko TV kuraiga sesukuru yo kwena magirgo cha sabarimi HC me county ya Kisii nchimpethuel Machin.